Hey guys, welcome back to another QX56 video, and today we're going to be addressing an issue that I have, which was there when I bought the vehicle, and it is that sun visor right there. So you can see that it's hanging down. So the thing about it is it doesn't really hold or anything, it just falls. And it looks like it's already been tried to repaired. There's some glue in there, but that's not really helping because it's not doing anything. So it's just worn out, broken, and needs to be replaced. Now the only issue I found with this is that you cannot find a used one at all, and if there is one, they're quite expensive, like $100 or more. So what I did is I wanted to find out how much it is brand new from the dealership, and it wasn't that bad considering it's brand new, because all the used ones were actually worn out looking and dirty, and these things are really hard to clean because of the light color, and they just attract dirt easily. And here's the box that has the brand new visor in it. So this is the model number to it, 964011LA3D. So that is the left side visor for, I guess, 2011, 2012. I'm not sure about the other years for sure, but they should be similar. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like it just comes in a box, bubble wrapped, and it does appear brand new, obviously. All right, so before I open this up, I don't want to, get it dirty. We need to go ahead and take off this old one, which should be quite easy. Obviously just clicks out of that, but here we need to take off a little trim piece right here, and there should be screws in there to take out, and this thing just should come out, and then we have to unplug the little power for this vanity mirror. Alright, so I got this little plastic prior thing so we don't damage anything. I'm not sure if it goes from this side or from the back side. I think most likely from this, there we go. So just the little edge here on the very tips just pops right out. And there it goes. It looks like we have a little star pattern here. That's actually a T20. And just like that. And they come out real easy. Because they're not even bolts, they're just screws. So now that the screws are out, they should just pop right out. And there it goes. And there is a plug we need to unplug, which is quite simple. Just push on this little tab here, and it comes right out. And that's our old visor. It's not a bad visor, it's just broken. Alright, so now we just need to unwrap our new one. So not only is it bubble wrapped, it's also in a little baggie, protected quite well. And I think we can actually take this off after we install it. I think that's what it's made for. Yeah, there's holes actually, especially just for that. Alright, so it looks like we have the same plug here that we need to plug in. And it does look exactly the same like the one we just took out. So we're just going to plug the plug in, just like that. Tuck it inside. And this should just clip in there. There we go. So it's holding itself. Alright, so that's simple enough. So now what we got to do is put these screws back on and we should be done. So it's quite a simple task. Alright, pop the cover back on. And that's it. So let's go ahead and take this plastic off of it. It should just come right off. There we go. Look at that. Man, finally. Because when this doesn't work right, it's just annoying, and it's, when the sun goes down, you can't use it and whatnot else. You have to deal with it. Yeah, so it looks like it's back to normal, and it's very nice looking. So we obviously have all the stickers that's supposed to be on there. So yeah, I'm finally happy to have this thing on there. Thankfully, the passenger side working just fine. I'm guessing because the driver's side gets used a lot. It keeps going up and down, and I guess eventually it just broke the mechanism inside. So I paid $180 for this thing. That was with tax and everything, so it wasn't cheap, but it's impossible to find these used even for a good deal, so it made more sense just to go ahead and buy a brand new one. Anyways, hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, then hit that like button. If you want to see more QX56 videos, I got a few more other things coming up that I still want to do to it, so hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.